Noah here from American Trucks. These are the Proven Ground precision molded front and rear floor liners in black for the 2019 and newer Ram 1500 crew cab with the rear underseat storage. Now, if you're looking to protect your truck's carpet from getting filthy and you want a high quality floor mat that fits great and doesn't ride up onto the pedals or anything like that, then you should check out these guys from Proven Ground. Things get muddy, and I totally get it, and a lot of times you buy a truck specifically to get to places that are muddy or snowy or really wet. You get the picture. So if you find yourself making a mess of your truck, I'm sure you've considered getting some upgraded floor mats. Now, a lot of times floor mats are super cheap and they slide around and don't quite fit. Now, these guys from Proven Ground will fit excellent because they're molded to the front and rear of your Ram. Now, they're modeled after the OEM design, and they even utilize the OEM anchors to keep them stationary. They also have these high walls, which are going to keep the mess contained and away from your nice carpet. Now, they also have this raised channel pattern, and that follows through to the back, which is going to work as an anti-skid technology, and it's going to give them a little bit more bite into the carpet. Now, lastly, and probably the best thing about them, is that they can be washed off super easy as well. You just quick pull them out, hose them down, and put them right back in. Looking at the construction of these floor liners, they're made from an OEM quality thermoplastic. And I always say, and I'll say it again, OEM quality is always something to strive for. The thermoplastic is anti-stick, so nothing's gonna cling tight to the liners, and they'll clean off really easily. Thermoplastic is also really durable and impact resistant, so you're safe from boots wearing a hole through them. The Proven Ground molded floor liners cost around $200, and that's pretty much right where all the other high-end floor mats fall as well. Now, these are the front and the rear liner in one kit and not just front or rear, so it's a really great price for total carpet protection. The install difficulty is going to be 1 out of 3 wrenches in about 5 minutes for the install time. Come on guys, these are drop-in floor liners. They're going to be super easy to get done, and if you don't believe me, well, here's one of the guys in the install bay, and they're going to show you how it's done.
What's up guys? Today we're installing a set of floor liners in our Ram, so let's get started. So before we install our floor liners, we need to remove our factory floor mats. We have 2 clips that we just need to pop out, and this will be removed. So we'll just grab our corner, pull straight up to pop it off our clip. Same thing for the other one. Pull our mat out, and we can do the same thing on the passenger side. Now in the back seat, it's the same thing. We have 1 clip on each side. I already popped the other side up, so we'll pop this one, and then we can pull our mat out. So now we're ready to install our floor liners. We're going to slide this underneath our pedals first, and then we'll line up our clips and press it into place. And then we'll do that same thing on the passenger side. Now we can do that same thing on the rear. Now we can hop over to the other side and finish massaging these into place. So that'll wrap up this review and install of the Proven Ground precision molded front and rear floor liners in black for your 2019 and newer Ram 1500 crew cab with rear underseat storage. Thank you for watching, and for all things Ram, keep it right here at AmericanTrucks.com.